Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be talking very loud in this video just because I do have my fan and I don't know if it's going to be too much for y'all. But anyway guys, so I want to go in and test out the new Huda Beauty Neon Eyeshadow Palettes. Look how gorgeous they are. Wow. But this is how they look, guys. I'm going to be going in with the orangey one today. Let's go in with the concealer. This is the Huda Beauty concealer. We're gonna go ahead and use this for the eyelids today, guys, to prime. Just like that. Hello. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my Morphe M524 brush. It's like a really big shader brush, but I love to use this to really like get that concealer on the eye blended. So let's go ahead and use the neon. Oh, this one is the neon Huda Beauty palette. Boom, bitch. Like, hi, bitch. So let's go ahead and take this yellow shade right here. First, I want to take this shade and pop. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch. Oh, pigmentation. Hi. How are ya? So let's go ahead and blend this bitch out. I'm noticing a little patchy patch. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. You see right here? I don't know. Anyway, okay, so let's just go in, blend this bitch out. What I want to do, guys, is I want to pack on the outer shades a little bit. So I want to go in with these, I want to go in with this shade as well as this pinky shade right there. And I want to go ahead and pack that. Oh, bitch. Yes, neon fire. So I'm going in right there. And I'm going to go in into the inner corner. Let's give it a little halo momento. We need a little momento of halo, halo. I can see your halo. Halo. Bitch, though, look at that pigment. I'm not gonna lie about the pigment. How like gorgeous that shit is. But you know what? I want to see if when I try to go and blend, if it's gonna like disappear. That's what I want to see, guys. Like, okay. Let's try to blend a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and take a smaller brush like this with a little bit of product on it. Let's go ahead and go up and blend. Oh, wow. Oh, bitch. Okay, it is gorgeous, but you guys see right here, that little patch right there. You know what? I noticed that on a lot of like colorful palettes now, guys. Like when you apply a shadow, like you see I have the yellow underneath. When you go out to try to blend whatever's on top of that color, it doesn't allow you to blend. I don't know why. And what I've noticed, if you guys watch my last colorful like kind of look, you have to lay the color down only where you're gonna have it. So I would have just done the yellow right there only, maybe above, and then only kept that color there, so that way it blended out beautifully. But I mean, it should have just done the job already, you know what I mean? And I am experiencing some fallout, guys. I'm gonna blow this bitch out, you already know. I'm gonna go ahead and blend for the life. I mean, you guys, it's beautiful. Don't get me wrong. It is so beautiful. But I don't know. I just don't know. Oh, bitch. Okay. I love what it's doing. You see, once I went in on top of the yellow, it made this orangey kind of like look. But you guys see like how it's skipping right there. It's bugging me. Like it's only very vibrant right here and a little bit patchy right there because that's where the color was, you know? So now I want to go in with this purple shade right here, guys. Right there. It's very, very pigmented. I hope this will take the look where I want it to go. All right. All right, neon. I'm gonna take another one and I'm gonna take that it looks a lot more purple, but it's actually like a pink kind of shade. Oh my god. That looks pretty. It does look pretty, I'm not gonna lie. Well, you guys, look, so now let's go in with this pink shade right here. That's how much comes off. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to the lid. So anyway, you guys see I applied that pink shade onto the lid. You guys see how like non-existent it is? Like, wow, like, yeah. And then even with the orange shade, like I'm dipping into the orange shade, guys, and look. So you need to apply some spray kind of shit. I'm actually gonna use my NYX glitter primer. So this is a glitter primer. I use like a dime size amount like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually dip in and I'm gonna apply this to the base and the center, just like that, guys. Wow, you guys see already, I can see it already. Boom, 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 vah. Now I'm gonna spray my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus. Then I'm gonna go into the pink shade now. Really dig into that and put it onto the lid. You guys see how much more va boom it is. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys. You guys need to apply like a glitter glue or like a spray your brush type of shit. You need to. And so I'm applying this all over, just like that. Hello. And it's gorgeous. It's like super duper gorgeous. And I'm gonna actually bring it all the way up. So I'm gonna grab a little bit more of the primer, you guys. And I'm gonna go up. Just above, up, and around it. Just like that. And I'm gonna go all the way up, guys. And I'm really digging into it, so I'm gonna be honest with you guys. The shimmers aren't great in this palette. Oh, bitch. They are not great in this palette. I will be honest with you guys. Oh wow, like you see, I wanted to go all the way up, even into the crease or the brow, I don't care. Oh, bitch. Like, bitch, look at that. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Sorry guys, I'm being weird. I'm just a little tired. My kids are like tiring me out right now. And the same thing, so you guys see, I have to really like swivel my brush into there. And the other shade is that orangey shade right here. And I'm gonna put that onto the top. Oh bitch, look at how that shit elevated it. Like wow. And you guys, this is kind of the look that I was going for, guys. This look. Wow. Bitch. That's what I was looking for. Now let's go back into this palette. I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here. And you guys, I don't even know if these have a shade. I'm not gonna read them because I don't go by them, you guys. I really don't, because they're too confusing for me, you know? And what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna grab like a big brush like this. It's really fluffed out, and take that shade, pop that on to out here, and really smoke it and blow it out, just like that, just like that. And then we're gonna go into the inner corner as well, build that shit in there. We're gonna go ahead and take some lashes. We're gonna go ahead and take Baddie B Lashes in the style Fuckboy, guys. Just because these are super humongous and long, I want to take these lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and take this lime green color. Oh yes, bitch. And we're gonna pop that into the inner corner. Let's see. Let's go ahead and take this one and this one for now. I want to go ahead and take that underneath the lower lash line. And let's go in with that darker pink shade right here, guys. It looks like a watermelon color. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch. So this one's like a little bit of a light pink. And actually, guys, this is like a, what is this? This is from Wet n Wild. This is actually a ultimate brow highlighter. So that's what this one is. So let's go ahead and do my lips now that we're here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it is too brown for that eye. Alright, guys, so here is the finished look. Wow. Like, bitch. Like, hello. You guys, these eyes are fire. Like, super duper duper fire. Woo, bitch. So the one that we used today is the neon orange. So this one is the one that we used. You guys, it's so like pretty. Like, I can't believe it. Okay, so you guys, the shades that I have on my eyes, those shades are this, the yellow, these two, this peach, pink, and this really bright neon purpley pink, and then these three shimmers. So I used every color except for this really pink one right here. I don't know why I didn't use this one, but I think it's because it's more taupey. That's probably why I did not gravitate towards it. You guys see that's more like a gray pink. I'm not into that bullshit. So this is actually the only color that I did not use, you guys, is this bottom pink row. But you guys, like, they're gorgeous. I will say that. And I also do have the other one. I have the pink one and then the green palette as well. I have both of them, guys. And look, like, they're beautiful. So if you guys want to see me play with all the other two colors, let me know down below. I would want to, but I just felt like green and pink and the orangey colors would not go and mix together, because honestly there's only like 3 to 4 mattes in each of the palettes. Be quiet! Leave them alone! And so I feel like they would not complement each other, guys. So that's why I did not use the pink one or the green. So I really wanted to focus on the orange, because you guys, honestly, like these have pink, orange, green, all mixed together, guys, and yellow. You guys, it's gorgeous. I will say, guys, so if you are not an experienced makeup lover, eyeshadow person, if you guys are barely starting out, I will say that this is hard to like use. I'm not gonna lie, because it was a little, I know you guys saw it was a little difficult to blend out some of the shades on my eyelid. I mean, but look at the end result, guys. Come on, like, we cannot deny the end result though. But here's the thing though, if you do not know how to play and to make things work, and what I mean by things is the eyeshadows, if you guys do not know how to make the eyeshadows work, because they are pigmented, so that means that they obviously are 1,000 more times like more colorful and true to color payoff than a normal eyeshadow, and that's why it's hard too to blend. So actually, I'm not gonna knock this palette down. I will say though, it does say on the packaging that it's a pressed pigment palette, guys. So that's why they are a little bit more hard to blend and hard to work with. But you guys see, look, I got that shit blended. I did it. If you are a makeup lover, I'm not saying you're the only one that will be able to make it work. I just think it's gonna take the average girl a longer time to play and really blend these eyeshadows, guys. But that's why I do recommend you to just sit down, play with makeup, and shut the fuck up. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys liked this video as well. Please give me a big fat thumbs up. Please like my video, as well as subscribe and hit that notification bell down below, so that way you guys get notified every time I do upload. As well as, what are you guys doing? Click on my next video, okay? I just spit. That was gross. I'm sorry. But click on my next video, guys. It's going to be right here. Right here. Click on that damn video and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.